Oh, we're ready to go out. Oh, you got some makeup on.
Yeah.
You can put some on Colin.
You don't need it.
Oh, he's got natural beauty. That's it, it looks more balanced.
Yeah. All right. Oh, head. Oh, that's better, that.
Yeah, much more balanced.
Yeah.
Gently, Bentley.
Yeah.
What is it, Cole?
Gently, Bentley.
Oh, gently, Bentley over my Sportage.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mind you, I'd rather have the Land Rover, but I couldn't afford to run it.
No, no. You found out how dear your old one was, didn't you?
So I said the other one was the final part, but we're still here, so I thought I'd capture the Land Rover coming out, and then that's going to go down the road and fetch the next Caravan. So we've got 3 and 4 to go in. They'll probably be in by the time I get back on the market. There you go. I bet I can't wait to get that on the ground. There's been a bit of a hassle from getting that in and out of there with the weight balance. And there you go. Out comes the Land Rover. Have a nice day.